Okay, now I'm going to be demonstrating meeting traffic. Okay, so let's move and get it done. So I'm moving out because the park cars. So I'm going to check my center mirror, right door mirror. Now when I pass the park cars, I'm going to leave it 1 meter gap. I've got adequate clearance. So I'm going to check my center mirror, left mirror, back to my lane. End of the road, we're going to be turning left. Okay, we're going to be taking the next road on the left. Okay, now I'm into my new road. I can see a park car. I'm going to check my center mirror, right mirror. I'm going to pass the park cars, leave 1 meter gap. I'm going to check my center mirror, left mirror again, back to my lane. I'm going to look ahead. I can't see the road clear. Now I can see cars coming. So I'm going to check my mirrors, center, right. Again, I've got parkers on the right, parkers on the left. It's an equal priority, so we need to leave an equal gap. I've got parkers on the left. Again, center mirror, right mirror. I'm going to come back in, center mirror, left mirror. I've got another park car, so I'm checking my mirrors, center and right. Going to come back in center, left row mirrors. And we've got loads of other park cars on the left hand side. I'm going to check my mirrors, center and right door mirrors. And leave a 1 meter gap, which is door width. Okay, in case someone's come out or cars open door, cars coming out with a signal. I've got van there, I can see the doors open. I'm going to check my mirrors, center right. I'm going to take it really slow and take the next road on the right. I've got cars on the side road, so it's not coming as stopped. Into my road, I've got oncoming traffic, so I'm going to check my mirrors. Now, because the park on the right, park cars on the left, I'm going to take it nice and steady. Up the hill, we can't see, nothing is bend also. Next road on the right. I've got cars coming from front, so I'm just going to wait and stop for them. Select my first gear. Car ready. Okay, again, we've got loads of park cars, also bend up the hill. So check my mirrors and leave a 1 meter gap on the left, 1 meter gap on the right. Then I've got another cars on the left. Check my mirrors again and leave adequate clearance, 1 meter. Center mirror, left mirror, leave 1 meter gap on the right. I've got parkers on the left. I'm going to leave a 1 meter gap. Center and right mirror check. Check my center and left door mirrors. Back to my lane. I've got another park car, so I'll have to leave another 1 meter gap again, if possible. Mirrors. Okay, checking my mirrors, center left. Again, park cars, center right door mirror check. 1 meter gap. We need to make sure we leave at least meter gap if you can, if not minimum half a meter. And end of the road, we're going to turn left, center mirror, left mirror check. Okay, I've got red car parked up on the left, so I'm checking my mirrors, leaving meter gap on the left and the right. Checking my mirrors, center and left. Roads are clear now, so I'm just going to pick up the speed a tiny bit. End of the road, we're turning left, center mirror, left mirror. Mirror check again, center and right. And it's really good we leave a 1 meter. So I'm leaving my 1 meter, which is door width, right? Now I can see a taxi parked up at the left, oncoming traffic. I'll have to slow down. Now roughly about car length, I need to check my mirrors. I start turning my wheel to the right. Meter gap again. Some more parkers to the left, so meter gap. Check my center mirror, left mirror. get into my lane. I'm going to check my mirrors, center right, any cars behind or anything overtaking. Now I've got humps coming up, I'm going to check my mirrors. I slow down tiny bit so we don't lose control of the car. Again some more humps, right, I'm going to check my mirrors, center right, slow it down tiny bit, down the hill. So we're going to pick up a speed, so check mirrors now. Because it's down the hill, we can't pick up much speed. And center mirror, left mirror check. Now I'm coming up to roundabout, I'm going to turn left. Also I can see from here parked cars, oncoming traffic. We don't know what the cars, oncoming traffic doing, so they're coming straight. I'm going to check my mirrors, center right. Okay, meter gap. We're going to be turning left at the roundabout. The cars in front of me, but they're all going straight, so we're turning left, so we're okay. Now of course someone's crossing, also parked cars, vans. I'm going to check my mirrors. Again some more cars, I'm going to stay and maintain my positioning. Check my center mirror, left mirror. I get back to my lane because I've got oncoming traffic. I've got vans. Check my mirrors again, center right, meter gap. Okay, I've got bend down the hill, we can't see nothing. We check my mirrors, go slower. When Chiluna is clear, we have to go outside of the road, so it's really important we go slow. Check my center mirror, left mirror. We can take the next road on the right, so I'm going to check my center mirror, right mirror. Front side, nothing coming in, nothing behind or overtaking. Okay, I've got loads of other parked cars. Check my mirrors. I'm going to maintain my 1 meter gap on the left hand side and the right hand side, equal gap. Bend coming up the hill, we can't see the road clear, so I'll have to take it steady, roughly about 15 miles per hour. Constantly I'm checking my mirrors, so nothing behind, nothing overtaking. So from here I could see park on the right, but my roads are clear, my side. So I'm going to check my mirrors. End of the road, turning right. Okay, we can see oncoming traffic right, and we'll check my mirrors. So they're slowing down, they stop for us, so we're okay to go. Check my mirrors, center right. Checking my mirrors again, center left mirrors. Now some more park cars on the left and the right, so we have to make sure we maintain the middle of the road and leave an equal gap at the right and the left hand side, so in case someone open the door it doesn't get hit. I've got bend coming up down the hill, I'm going to check my mirrors, slow down. I'm going to stay in my lane because I don't know whether there's parked cars on the left or any oncoming traffic, so we have to go slow. Check my center mirror, right mirror again before coming out. We've got truck in front of us. Check my mirrors, and I'm going to have to leave a 1 meter gap in case they open a door, and we're going to straight. Now from here I'm going to be looking right ahead, left ahead, right. So my junction isn't clear, I'm going to take it nice and slow until I can see it's clear. Okay, I can see all clear everywhere, right ahead, left ahead, right, clear. Now I've got loads of other parked cars, so I'm going to maintain my 1 meter gap again. Okay, by looking ahead, I haven't got much clearance, so I need to go slow. Less space, less speed, more space, more speed. So this instant we've got really less space, so we have to go less speed, really slow. Make sure we maintain the gap properly. Mirrors coming back in. Okay, I've got some more parked cars, so I was checking my mirrors, center and right. Okay, I've got parked cars to the right, so I have to come back to pilot center, left mirror check. I've got parked cars to the left, so I'm checking center and right door mirrors. And I'm still maintaining, as you can see, I'm still maintaining my speed really slow. Because we're going down the hill, we don't want to lose the control. Also around the bend, so if you go really fast, it might end up everywhere, all around the places. So we don't want that to happen, so we need to go slow, nice and steady. And end of the road, we're going to be turning left. So I'm going to check my mirrors, center left. checking right, left, right, all clear. And this seems to we've got park cars on the right. We can stay in our lane. Checking my mirrors before I pick up speed. Now park cars on the left. Checking my center mirror, right mirror, meter gap, I'm maintaining. Checking my mirrors, no park cars, I can't see anything on the park car on the mirrors. Checking my center mirror, right mirror, coming out. Now because the truck coming, right, so I'll have to get into my gap, checking my mirrors, center and left. So if I go into my gap, right, they could go to their gap. So they've got their sides empty, okay. In this instance they stopped. I'll have to check my mirrors not to overtake him. Check my mirrors again before I come out. Center mirror, left mirror, back into my lane. Now, end of the road, we can turn left. So we've got park cars on the right, truck on the left hand side. So we have to middle of the lane. We have to go really slow because it's a junction. We never know, there could be a car coming off the main road. Checking my mirrors. I'm going to keep looking. There are the cars on the right. I'm going to stop here, apply my handbrakes up the hill, and I'm going to get my car ready. It's clear now, so we can go. We can take in next road on the left, center mirror, left signal. Now, as I'm turning, I can't see anything. So there is the park cars or minibus. So I'm going to have to go close to the white line. I'm going to look front, center mirror, right mirror, front clear, behind clear, side clear. So I'm going to come out really slow until I see it's safe to move on or safe to pick up the speed. Checking my mirrors again, center, right. Now, gap is really narrow, so I'm going to have to go slow by checking my mirrors. Center and left over mirrors. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe or share our video. Thank you so much.